Hey y'all! Today we're back at Clarkco State Park in Quitman, Mississippi. Today's video is to show you their brand new, fully renovated campground. This campground has 43 full hookup sites and all of them are brand new on a nice big concrete pad. They all have picnic tables and a grill. We stayed here back in 2024 and the campground was a little lacking. But they have spent the last couple of years renovating it and they have done a really good job. The roads are wider and the campsites are really nice. We've done a couple of videos showing the amenities on here, including our last one where we stayed here in one of their cabins. So I'm not going to talk about that today, but I'll put a link to that up here. So without further ado, here's the brand new campground drive-thru. This is the main bathhouse and laundry. Here we have number 30. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for the tour of the new campground here at Clarkco State Park. We think it's a huge improvement. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And if you found this video helpful or you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.